Peter, we're now just below that the bridge, and what we're here is looking at a floodplain fairly similar to the one where we had that irrigator, just a little bit higher. But the difference is here it's all lush. It's actually had to be mown, and the grass and weeds were getting that high. And you've got your takeoff runnel bringing water higher into the landscape.
Absolutely. See, this just creates that water table. Once the water table's there, the change is dramatic, the costs are nil, and the productivity goes up tenfold. And this is actually a point where it's actually spreading even wider, and when we get 50 yards from here, it's actually right on top of the floodplain, this same water, whereas, you know, we're looking back there, it was stepped right down.
So where we're sitting here, the water now is probably 2 metres above where it used to be?
2 metres above the bed level, easy. It's a bit more, it's a 2, nearly 3.
And when you've built this structure here, there's not a drop in the gradient, you've got it level?
Yes, it is. There's a little bit of a drop right at the top end because we have a restricted area to get it out. So there's a little bit of a drop there, but once it's flat, the wider you have it, the more water can move in the top layer, and that's the piece that even if the contour itself is 1 metre deep, it means there's a metre fall because it can drain out. It's just what you, you know, how you design the exit of it. As to how much.
And along that contour bank, you've got areas on the curves that if there's a flood event, they can flood out.
If there's a major storm event that overloads the high banks, yes, it floods out at these points, so we can run with a freeboard of in just a few inches.